man. Let's see what's wrong. Oh, there we go. It's broken. Hey there, YouTube. We've got the solution. This broken toilet is not going to be broken for long. Quick! Let's fix this broken handle. So, pull that thing out. Man, that thing is just, it's too bad. It was cheap. It wasn't strong. We'll have to get a better one. Boop-a-doo. Hey, it's Amazon. What did we get? Looks like just what we need. It's a Korky Strongarm tank lever. Look at that. Heavy duty handle and lever. Made in America. Easy to install. Well, that's awesome. So let's do it. Cut that thing open here. Hey, don't hurt yourself. Let's get that old piece of junk out of there. Now remember, these are left-hand through, so you go left and it doesn't come off. So spin it to the right. And let's get that lever out of there. We're going to reuse the old chain, so don't break it. Here's our parts. It comes pre-assembled, so we're going to take it apart. We got the red pins, lock it in, pull those out. There's the arm. This is the adjuster elbow. Pull off the nut, and voila. That's everything you need. We're going to put the handle in. Notice the square shape here. It's a rubber seal, and mine's going to go pointed back. You could do this pointed down if you wanted to as well. We're going to put that nut on, nice and snug. It's all hand tight, folks. Think monkey tight, not gorilla tight. Now, this is the elbow part, and I'm doing it in the depressed mode. I'm pressing the lever down, so when it's all the way down, the handle, the lever will be up. So it's flush there, click it and lock it in place. Now for the lever arm itself. And these are all on splines, so you can lift it up and move it around. And I chose to have it directly over the flapper. And let's see if my chain is long enough. It's tight. And it flushes. But it's like the water's still running. So let's adjust it out. I'll try it on the end here. And looks like the water's still just flowing through. Test your flapper. If there's any gap like that, it'll just keep running. So we're going to have to adjust the chain. Mine's a ball chain, and there's like a little clasp on there. I'd use pliers to get it off, and we're going to just move it up a couple of links. We want to keep it snug, but like I said, not too tight, otherwise the water will keep running. And we'll put that back in that second position. And look at that. It stays seated. Alright, first problem solved. What's that chain dangling in the back there? Oh, see that? The tank's full. So let's put our lock in place, because that lever definitely worked. Okay, so this right here releases the the refill. I don't know, I guess it's like a float lock stop, and it needs to be pulled up to release the float so it doesn't keep filling. So basically we want to make that snug on the lever as well, so that way it releases and activates the refill. Sped this up for your viewing pleasure. I know it gets boring. And ta-da. Alright, the water stopped. We're good. And moment of truth. Alright, hold it as long as we need to. Water goes down, and wait a second. It didn't refill. Oh, the chain wasn't tight enough. So we're going to have to reposition that chain on our hook so it's a little more snug. Alright, you see that? Nice and tight. We pull it up, it releases the catch. And boom, now to refill. Just move it out of the way here so it's less parts to get bound up. Test it out, and it's working. Again, we'll speed this up. Your tank does not normally fill this fast. What do you think? Is it going to work? Looks like it. There it is. We're stoked. Listen, I think you can do this yourself. It was so easy. Put everything back together and smash that like button. Hit subscribe. Join me on some other epic adventures. Peace out.